Hi there, and today we're going to learn about how to fix Wix forms not working. So here I am in my Wix website dashboard, and then from here we can also open the Wix website editor. So we can just click edit site, and when you click on it, the website editor will automatically open in a new tab. I have the tab already open right here, and then here is my Wix website. So the common problem about the Wix forms not working is that your browser might have outdated cookies and data. So to do that, you can just go right here to the top right and then go to history and then click history right here. And then from here, what we need to do is that we need to delete browsing data. So just click delete browsing data. And then from here, you need to select cookies and other site data and then cache images and files. So these two features are the common problem about Wix forms not working, as well as other problems that might also happen to different websites. So you can choose the duration of what time that you want to delete for the cookies and then the cache images and files. But if these four options does not work, what you need to do is that you need to click either last 4 weeks or your all of your browsing data for your cookies and then cache images and files. So just go ahead and do that and then just click delete data. And also make sure that you know your account usernames and passwords, since deleting the cookies and then the cache images and files will log out all of your accounts that is connected to different platforms. And then after you're finished, if it's still not working, let's go back to Wix right here. So for example, if I will add a form right here, so I'll just add a template form. And then what happens is that it is not working because I have reached my form limit. So your form limit depends on what kind of plan that you are using, but you need to double check. Maybe you have too many forms in your Wix website. So to do that, or to combat this problem, you can just delete all of your previous forms. So you can also go back to your dashboard and then go to customers and leads, click forms and submissions. And then from here, as you can see, I have already reached the limit for the number of forms. So I have 4 forms right here. And what I need to do is that I need to delete some of the forms that I don't really use. So for example, if I want to delete this form, I can just click the 3 dots, click delete, and then the form is now deleted. And now I can use another form in my Wix website. So if I go back and then if I try to add another form right here, it's now working since we have deleted another form, and then we are still in the limit of the number of forms in our Wix website. And then that's it. So that is how we can fix the Wix forms not working. I hope you learned how to do it, and thank you for watching.